What defines a technological advancement? Is it a new tool? Is it something to help us operate better, faster, and cheaper? Is it simply a way to keep up to date? The answer, of course, is that it's all of the above. It's a way of exploring and developing processes, products, and services to improve our lives. Think about the advancements in your storage technology. Flash was a major leap forward, but has been hindered by SAS and SATA connections. NVMe unleashed the potential of Flash, but the advantage is limited to inside the server. Now it's time to extend the advantages of NVMe Flash and connect outside the server. Introducing the OpenFlex Data24 storage platform with NVMe-over fabrics. Now, your servers can share the high performance of NVMe SSDs across the fabric as if they were inside the server. OpenFlex Data24 is an NVMe-over fabrics JBOF, or just a bunch of flash within a single storage enclosure. It disaggregates NVMe storage for open composability, giving multiple hosts simultaneous access without increasing latency. Featuring 24 dual-port Western Digital NVMe SSDs connected to up to 6 Western Digital RapidFlex NVMe-over fabrics controllers, OpenFlex Data24 delivers game-changing performance over 100 gigabit Ethernet. Now you have a wide range of connectivity options for the flexibility and control you need to leverage the power of vertical integration. Choose the OpenFlex Data24 with a single RapidFlex fabric card per I/O module to retain high availability while creating a simplified environment, such as a direct replacement for a SAS JBOF. Connect directly to up to 6 hosts without a switch thanks to OpenFlex Data24's 3 RapidFlex fabric cards per I/O module. This option matches the PCIe lanes to the drives through the entire data path to deliver the highest possible performance. Connect OpenFlex Data24 to a switch, and many servers can share the storage at the same time, using just a single PCIe slot per server. It's the ideal solution if you need performance that approaches Direct Connect, but is way ahead of SAS. Add a management server and composability software to the switch option, and the OpenFlex Data24 can become part of a composable disaggregated infrastructure environment. Now you can compose virtual systems, including flash storage, over a switched Ethernet fabric, delivering instant scalability and flexibility for all your applications. Whatever your connectivity path, OpenFlex Data24 gives you the flexibility and control to leverage the power of vertical integration. At Western Digital, we are at the forefront of engineering today's technological advancements for the storage of tomorrow. We design and build our most critical technology in-house, from raw silicon to spinning platters to software engineering to blazing fast NAND. By extending the advantages of NVMe and unleashing the power of flash outside the server, the OpenFlex Data24 NVMe-over fabrics continues our legacy of developing solutions with your need for maximum performance and boundless possibilities in mind.